Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of data recovery with a focus on iPhone users.
If you've ever experienced the heart-stopping moment when you accidentally delete precious photos, videos, or important data from your iPhone, fear not.
We have the solution for you. Introducing Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone, the ultimate savior for iPhone users who find themselves in data loss dilemmas.
This powerful software, currently in its version 5.0.0.6, is designed to recover lost or deleted data with ease.
Now, let's delve into what makes Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone stand out from the crowd. Firstly, compatibility.
This software supports a wide range of iPhone models, from the latest iPhone X to older models like iPhone 4. Whether you're rocking the latest technology or holding onto a beloved classic, Stellar has you covered. But that's not all. Stellar doesn't just stop at recovering data directly from your device.
It also seamlessly retrieves data from your iTunes and iCloud backups.
Yes, you heard that right. So even if you've accidentally wiped your device clean or lost it altogether, your precious memories and important information are still within reach.
Now, let's talk about ease of use. Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone boasts a user-friendly interface that guides you through the recovery process step by step.
Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or a novice user, you'll find navigating this software a breeze. But don't just take our word for it.
Let's hear what some of our fellow iPhone users have to say about their experience with Stellar. While some users have reported minor issues,
such as difficulty with iCloud recovery or occasional software crashes, the overwhelming consensus is positive. Many users praise Stellar for its effectiveness in retrieving lost data and its intuitive interface.
In conclusion, Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone version 5.0.0.6 is undeniably the best recovery software for iPhone users on the market today. With its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and stellar customer support, it's a must-have tool for anyone who values their iPhone data. That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.